we're in Seoul Forest taking refuge in, in this thing. Cause what is it, like 30 degrees?
2 degrees Celsius. So I don't know what that is Fahrenheit, but it's 2 degrees Celsius.
Like 30 degrees.
Fahrenheit, yeah.
Feels like 25, they say. Got on my mittens.
Yeah, I think the high today is 35 degrees Fahrenheit. And right now it's dropping steadily. It's supposed to be like 32 by 4 p.m. So that's fun.
And we are dumb Americans, so not wearing the right clothes.
Don't show this to my mama. XO. Kibon loves Yunjong.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Can you not? Stop, because this is gonna fall knowingly. Oh God.
That was an unpleasant experience.
Yeah. Ttukseom. Oh, little library.